Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another motivational cleaning video. Today's video is a nighttime clean with me in my son's room. It was a hot mess. It was an impromptu cleaning. I was coming up to take a shower, took a glance over in his room and said, not today. This has got to get cleaned up. So that's what we are doing tonight. I hope that you guys get a lot of cleaning motivation from this video. I don't know why he has all these water bottles in here, but get some cleaning motivation and join me in this cleaning. I'm going to start out by putting all the trash in this Ross bag. He just got some new curry slides that he just couldn't live without, and we got them from Ross. So I'm going to use this bag to put all his trash in it, and then he will be taking this bag out later because it's nighttime, so I'll have him take it out in the morning. I need to go through and figure out what is going on. Are these clothes clean? Are these clothes dirty? I honestly just ended up putting most of the clothes in the dirties because if they're just laying on the ground, they're dirty again anyway. I did something that I don't normally do, and I end up kind of sniffing some of the clothes just to check to see, but I do not recommend that, especially if you have a boy, because you can be in for a rude awakening. And if you are a boy mom, I know you know what I'm talking about. So just err on the side of caution and just throw everything in the dirties. And tomorrow morning I am going to have him go through and sort his clothes. We sort them between his nicer clothes and his play clothes, because generally they have different levels of dirt on each of those clothes, and that's how I wash them in the washer. So tomorrow will be laundry day for his clothes. I'd love to get your guys' feedback on the speed of my videos. A lot of the videos I speed up a lot so that I can get a lot done in a short amount of time for you for watching. But let me know if you guys like shorter videos or longer videos, if you like them to be sped up a lot, or if you like a slower cleaning video so you can clean along with me. So let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to chit chat and just get your guys' ideas for moving forward. And just to give my son some credit, we were cleaning his closet the other night, and he ended up falling asleep, so we didn't get to finish his room, and then he got to re-dirty his room. But a lot of the stuff was pulled out from the closet that we were going to find new homes for that we didn't, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that tonight. So when he comes up upstairs and sees his room, everything is clear, and he knows that he's definitely going to have to keep it up in order to continue his summer as seamlessly and effort-free as it has been. It is time to wipe this dresser down because, you know, who knows what kind of germs is on it, because he comes in from outside touching stuff. Friends are over messing with stuff, so we definitely need to disinfect this surface. So go ahead and clean off the top and also the handles. And I also did the nightstand, but I did not get that on video just because I was trying to get done because it was pretty late at night and I really wanted to get into the shower and get into my bed. So it is time to make his bed, and yeah, the bed looks really sad, and my son has been wanting a full-size bed, which I've been looking into. Well, I haven't really started, but I will start looking into because he is getting bigger and needs a bigger bed. The only thing is the room is not that big, so once we put a full-size bed in here, we'll have to rearrange all of his furniture to try to maximize the space because it's going to cut down on his space a lot. But I know that he would rather a bigger bed and less room space than to continue with this twin bed. So we are going to be looking for that, so look out for that eventually. Y'all, this is my favorite part. If you have been on my channel even for 2 seconds, you know I love me some vacuum lines. Like, even just watching this back makes me so happy seeing these vacuum lines. I could vacuum all day and all night and just be the happiest person in the world. The problem is I can't just vacuum and keep my house clean, because if I could, y'all, my house would always be clean because I could vacuum day and night. Let me know if you love you some vacuum lines down in the comments below. Hey guys, so I'm here in my son's room. I told him I was gonna come upstairs and take a shower, which really was my intent. And I took a look at his room and was like, that needs to be cleaned up tonight before I go to bed. So I came in here, got it cleaned up. He still is going to have to take the bag of trash downstairs and the water bottles. But other than that, he's got a clean room, and the expectation is that he's going to keep it up. I do need to organize in his nightstand and reorganize his drawers, because every now and again he'll ruffle through them. So I'll get in there and take care of that, but otherwise it is clean. The closet is clean. If you missed that video, I will link it in the iCard above, and I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to chat with you. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.